It's now illegal for ICE and other law enforcement to cover their faces in the state of California.
Via this January 1st social media post, California State Senator Scott Wiener announced that his law, the No Secret Police Act, went into effect. The law makes it illegal for most local, state, and federal law enforcement officers in California to wear facial coverings while on duty.
And then these are videos of agents.
Ron Gochez is a teacher and organizer with Union del Barrio, an immigrants' rights group that wants to protect undocumented immigrants and citizens from immigration enforcement activity and masked agents.
We support anything that will try to force these agents to not wear masks, but at the same time we know that here at the local level in California, whatever laws are passed, we know that a federal agent doesn't have to obey it. And so, you know, it's a good thing that what they're trying to do, but at the same time, these agents pretty much have carte blanche.
On Wednesday, lawyers with the Department of Justice took the case in front of a federal judge, asking to block this law and another new California law called the No Vigilantes Act that would require officers to display their agency, name, or badge number during enforcement operations.
But California has a responsibility to its residents to protect them and to provide public safety.
State Senator Sasha Renee Perez authored the No Vigilantes Act. She says the law's about accountability for officers.
We just saw what happened in Minnesota. A young woman, a mother, Renee Good, was shot 3 times by an ICE agent. These folks need to be identifiable because when they commit crimes like murdering an innocent protester, we need to be able to identify who that is.
But the federal government says using masks and officers refraining from sharing their identity is due to safety concerns. U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi has said the officers are covering their faces for their protection.
I do know they are being doxxed, as you said. They're being threatened. Their families are being threatened.
But Ron says community members feel threatened by the lack of transparency. Meanwhile, the Department of Homeland Security sees their operations as bringing safety to local neighborhoods, with more than 10,000 undocumented immigrants having been arrested in the LA area since June. And with ongoing operations, Ron shares his commitment to fight against the federal administration.
We know that Trump is trying to get rid of our community again, but they have failed in the past and they will fail again.
A battle that other states are also fighting, with tensions rising between communities and immigration officers. In Minnesota, the state filed a request to a federal judge to suspend immigration operations that are taking place. Both states using the legal system to push back on the Trump administration's immigration crackdown.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Let Spectrum News be your resource for balanced, in-depth political coverage. And click the subscribe button here. You can also download our app and watch us on TV to learn more about the candidates, where they stand on the issues, and more. We'll see you then.